Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your email marketing with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the type of campaign you want to create, such as an email. Choose a campaign name that reflects its purpose. Select your audience from the drop-down menu. If necessary, segment your audience for targeted messaging. Now, click on Design Email to start creating your email content. Choose a template that suits your brand. Customize the template by dragging and dropping content blocks. Add your logo, images, and any other branding elements. Write a compelling subject line to capture your audience's attention. Incorporate a clear call to action in your email. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Use the test option to send a trial email to yourself. Check for any grammar or spelling errors in the content. Once you're satisfied, go back to the campaign settings. Schedule the email for a specific time or send it immediately. Monitor the performance of your email campaign after it's sent. Review open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics. Use the feedback to refine future campaigns. Consider utilizing automation features for recurring tasks. Experiment with A/B testing to optimize your subject lines and content. Regularly update your audience lists to keep them engaged. Continue learning by exploring Mailchimp's resources and tutorials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.